This was my first time servicing an e-bike, which is funny if you think about it. I bought it in winter, rode it for almost 5,000 kilometers, and only now decided to open it up. And the tire? Yeah, it only just started bulging. Lucky, I guess. I needed to grease the motor. Honestly, I had no idea how to do it. So I relied on tutorials, as if that ever makes things simple. I couldn't get the cover off. Fake bolts, wrong assumptions. I didn't even understand which side opens. And when I finally figured it out, even a rubber mallet didn't help. So I used what I lovingly call the orc method. I hit it against a log, and the cover opened. Inside, there was almost no grease left at all. And riding in winter with a dry motor, that's how you break one. Good thing I was stubborn enough to try.